You don't know how to cook, and that's too bad. So I think it's time to call in a professional. I've got a chef here who's gonna show us how it's done, so stick around until the end, and if you learn a thing or two, I will be so proud of you. That's perfect. Okay. What are we making?
We are preparation is 4 kind of salad. All food is vegan. Let's go in kitchen. First of we are preparing spring salad. We prepare this first time is spring salad. The second course is maybe lettuce salad. We prepare this vegan pizza.
Put them on.
Time for some surgery here.
Now let's see how that colon's doing. Uh-oh, you're like Muhammad Ali.
Okay.
Just the bad part.
I'm ready.
All this is enough.
There it goes.
Tomato you can cut.
Yes. Show me how to do it. Oh man, these knives are sharp.
You're cutting them a little bit unevenly.
Well, I'm not an expert. Not
A little one-sided there.
Beautiful. So just
So satisfying.
and just a little bit of olive oil.
Yes.
Not too much.
It's not more.
There's definitely an art
Yeah,
to this.
asparagus.
Okay.
Top on the salad.
Maybe some more tomatoes.
Yes, please. First of salad is ready now.
Oh, that's nice. I like it. Wow.
You eat it. It's a salad. You eat
We
it.
made it. It's a supreme salad. Really. Maybe a minute. Otherwise, it gets very soggy.
Are you the professional chef?
Well,
Oh wow, look at that.
I've never grilled lettuce.
Borscht.
I've never done that.
Oh, your grandma has. There you go.
Oh yes, that's art.
Yes. This is ready now.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yes.
It's a baby lettuce salad. All right.
So far, so good, but nothing could have prepared me for my Mount Everest, the pizza.
I gotta tell you, I'm very uncomfortable with the dough part because I've always tried and never gotten it right, and I hope that chef can show me how to make it correct. I'll be eternally grateful because then I'll be able to make pizza the rest of my life.
Well, you'll never actually be able to make pizza for the rest of your life. You're vegan. You can never make pizza. Oh, hey.
Hello, how are you?
Hey, how are you doing? You're in our video.
Yeah, thank you.
Nice.
So what are we eating for lunch?
Salad and pizza.
Salad and pizza.
Excellent, chef. I'm looking forward to the taste.
This is the expert right here.
Yeah, expert.
That's pretty remarkable.
Yeah, I like that. I like it.
I like this very much. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Oh, you're doing it. Looks good so far to an untrained eye.
Well, wait, just wait.
Yeah, do exactly what he does.
I'm just following.
Press.
Oh, you're using gravity. Okay.
Yeah.
Look, his is already double the size of yours.
I'm not an expert on
This
this.
is not easy.
No, it's not.
It's help you.
It's gonna help.
You know.
He's gonna help you. You need someone to help you.
I don't think I'm very good at this. You gotta stretch it as you're doing it. That's the trick to it. And I wasn't stretching before.
Really? Because I'm looking at it. It seems to be the exact same size.
How's that? Better? I'm much better at eating the pizza than I am making it.
Yeah, it seems so. I mean, that looks like a typhoon, your pizza dough.
It does look like an accident. Kind.
Oh, look at that. That's professionalism right there. Wow, look at that dough that you stretched out yourself.
Yeah, now, oh man, see, it's so easy to make this.
So easy.
So easy.
Kind of onion.
Oh, I love those.
Okay, I put the caramelized onions, put them all on there.
But they're all going on. No worries.
Salt.
Oh, now in the oven it goes.
No.
Yeah? Look at him.
Best pizza ever. And I made it. I'm Christopher Elliott, signing off.
Okay, well, before you sign off, like,
No signing off.
this is ridiculous. This isn't, we didn't even make this. They just kept giving us food. So, yep. Happy eating.
It's very good.